Didn't mean to ping.
Got one.
What the fuck? How?
Where is he? Oh,
Got two.
Main window? And that window.
The attempt was there. The attempt was there. Boom.
he didn't even get me in the head. What the hell?
Nice.
Sis.
Nice. Nice, Michael. Nice. You shooting birds now, eh?
Yep.
That face still doesn't make sense with this character.
Oh no.
On point. Back on point.
On point, yeah. He was just watching that angle the entire time. Oh no.
Woo! Woo! Damn!
Last person to Twitch.
Roger.
Last.
Oh fuck.
Up or down?
Cockpit.
Okay.
Get wrecked, mate.
Michael saying get wrecked is pretty funny to me.
It is.
Anybody have a shield or barbed wire?
Oh, they're straight in the hallway. There you go.
Oh yeah, we're going in.
Okay.
Ow!
Oh.
Dick. Damn it!
You should have
No, you can see what I pre-fired first as you came down, and then I saw it and shot you too. Oh god. That was too funny.
You
I'm
know,
gonna go with you guys.
Where are you?
I was fusing them.
Okay.
I was spreading the love of communism.
You could have.
Oh my god, so much, Kyle. Alright, we can spot it? Oh. There.
This was potato. I ran out of ammo. Watch this.
It literally just showed you like phasing through the walls on my screen.
Yeah. Well, I finished him off with a pistol to the face. I'm actually pretty proud of myself with that.
Brian,
Hey, I was spreading communism, okay?
what happened to I got
was.
your back?
I mean,
I did! Get your back.
Brett, he's not gonna lie. He actually did. By exploding everyone.
Yeah, see? Did we kill the flanker? Yeah, we got the flanker. Oh,
Yep, run.
what took him down?
Cav is down.
Nice. Last guy is on point. Watch out for the smoke.
Got him.
Nice. Man, just nading them to death.
Kobe. Watch. I knew he was there.
Balls!
Written up.
Oh, my aim is on point today.